Dialogue 1. Hello.
Hi there. Can I help you find something?
Yes, I'm looking for a new dress.
What color and size are you looking for?
I like blue, and I usually wear medium.
Great! We have a few blue dresses in the medium size. Let me show you.
Thank you.
Here are the blue dresses we have. Do any of these catch your eye?
Yes, I like this one with the floral pattern.
That's a nice choice. Let me check if we have it in the medium. Yes, we have it in the medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Wonderful! Is there anything else you need?
Yes, I also need a pair of shoes to go with the dress.
What style and size are you looking for?
I need flats in size 7.
Let me check our shoe section. Here are some flats in size 7. Do any of these interest you?
I like the black ones with the bow.
Excellent choice. Let me get them for you. Here are the black flats in size 7. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. They fit perfectly. I'll take them too.
Great! I'll ring you up at the checkout. Your total comes to $85. Will you be paying with cash or a card?
I'll pay with my card, please.
Thank you for shopping with us. Here's your receipt and your items. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Dialogue 2. Excuse me, where can I find the grocery section?
It's on aisle 3, just down that way.
Thank you. Hello, can you help me find apples?
Sure, they're right here.
How much are they?
They're $2 per pound.
Okay, I'll take 3 pounds, please.
Sure thing. Here you go, that'll be $6.
Here's $10.
Thank you. Here's your change and receipt.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
Dialogue 3. Hey, do you want to go shopping with me?
Sure, I'd love to. What are you looking for?
I need a new pair of jeans and some shirts.
Okay, let's go to the clothing store.
These jeans look nice. What do you think?
They look great. Try them on.
They fit perfectly. Now, I need some shirts.
How about these ones? They're on sale.
These are perfect. Let's head to the checkout. Hello.
Hi there. Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, I did, thank you.
Great. Let's ring up your items. Do you have a store loyalty card?
No, I don't.
No problem. Your total comes to $75.
Here's $80.
Thank you. Your change is $5. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Dialogue 4. I'm also thinking of getting a new pair of sneakers. Want to check out the shoe store next?
Sounds good. Let's go.
These sneakers are trendy. What do you think?
They look cool. Try them on to see how they feel.
They're so comfortable. I'll take them.
Nice choice. Do you need anything else?
Actually, I need a backpack for school. Let's go to the bag store. This backpack looks durable. What do you think?
It seems sturdy and has lots of pockets. Check if it fits your books.
It's spacious enough. I'll buy it.
Great. Let's pay for everything.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. How much do I owe?
Your total is $65.
Here's $80.
Thank you. Your change is $15. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Dialogue 5.
Do you want to grab a quick bite before heading home?
Sure, I'm hungry. Let's go to the cafe across the street.
Sure, I could use a caffeine boost.
I'll have a cappuccino, please. What about you?
I'll have a latte, thanks.
Hi. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Sure thing. And for you?
I'll have a latte, please.
Coming right up. That'll be $8.50.
Here's $10.
Thank you. Here's your change, $1.50, and your drinks.
Thanks.
This cappuccino is delicious.
I agree, this latte is perfect. Do you want anything else?
No, I'm good. Ready to head out?
Yep, let's go.
Dialogue 6.
Hey, want to stop by the bakery on our way home?
Sure, I could go for a pastry.
Wow, everything looks delicious.
Hello. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a croissant, please.
I'd like a chocolate muffin, please.
Sure thing. That'll be $5.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here are your pastries.
Thanks.
This muffin is so good.
This croissant is flaky and delicious. Do you want to get anything else?
No, I'm good. Ready to head out?
Yep, let's go. Dialogue 7.
Hey, I need to fill up my car with gas. Want to come along?
Sure, I can keep you company.
I'll go fill the tank. Do you want anything from the convenience store?
Maybe a bottle of water, please.
Got it. Hi, can I get a bottle of water, please?
Sure, that'll be $1.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Is there anything else?
No, that's all.
Thanks for the water.
No problem. Let's go to the checkout to pay for the gas.
Hi there. Pump number?
Pump number 3.
Okay, your total is $35. How will you be paying?
With my card, please.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.